Nope. It's right there.
Hello. Hi, little guy. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's probably the weirdest thing that happened to me.
Hello. Hello.
That's very high.
Oh my gosh.
What?
This bird is.
Bird mentally stupid. Bird,
Baby, what do you want?
I would try to pick you up, but like
It's a little tiny bird.
Oh, let me see my
bird.
It's
We just saw him on the ground. I'm surprised Mom didn't run her over with the car. She just came over the car. Don't you jump at me. We tried to
Doing nothing.
get out the groceries and we saw, this. It's weird. Don't try to hurt him
I'm trying to.
or her. I don't know.
To hurt it at a.
Don't hurt the bird. Don't try to.
Yeah,
He's hitting it with a sock. He has
This
no
is my
shoes
foot,
ahoy.
not the sock.
Whatever.
Alright, Bert. Hey, okay, you're moving now. Good job.
You have to kind of move. Look.
You gotta kind of.
See this?
Hey, your eyes are.
See this? It's called the car. We have to
Wait,
move
alright,
it in
you're
order
probably
to
just
go to
scared. I'm
different
gonna go away
places. Yeah.
it's okay.
Alright, can you guys put the groceries away for me?
It's
Yeah. I'm in the middle of something.
yeah. I'm in the middle of something.
I'm
Jeez.
in the middle of something too.
It's okay.
Oh jeez, I forgot about that. Oh yeah, dude's on me update. I forgot.
You're done.
Oh, it's so weird.